Managing lot numbers, expiration dates for freshness, and regulatory compliance is critical for food manufacturers and retailers. Introducing GearChain, your complete solution for regulatory compliance. With easy barcode scanning, instantly log expiration dates, lot numbers, and product details directly into your inventory. No manual entries means no errors, just accurate and reliable data. Effortlessly manage batches for recalls and track items, all from one simple dashboard. GearChain ensures compliance with key industry standards like USDA and FDA FSMA 204 and supports GS1 digital link barcode printing to streamline regulatory adherence. With GearChain's blockchain integration, every transaction is immutably recorded, providing verifiable proof for compliance and audits. GearChain simplifies compliance, keeping your business in line with regulations. Let GearChain handle the details so you can focus on your business. Download GearChain and try today.